In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your email for your Grammarly account. Whether you've just signed up for Grammarly or have recently updated your email, verifying your email is an essential step to ensure that you receive all the communication necessary for using Grammarly effectively. To get started, once you've signed up or changed your email address, Grammarly will send a confirmation email to the address you provided. This email acts as a passport to begin receiving updates and access all Grammarly features seamlessly. So, you'll want to head over to your email inbox and look for this message from Grammarly. It might take a few moments to land, but if it's not there, don't worry. Sometimes emails take a slight detour, ending up in your spam or junk folder, so be sure to check those locations too. Now, to avoid delays or future hiccups in your email communications, it's a smart move to add a few key Grammarly email addresses to your contacts or safe sender list. Specifically, you'll want to ensure the domains like hello@info.grammarly.com, hello@mail.grammarly.com, and hello@notification.grammarly.com are on that list. This simple step can prevent future important emails from getting lost in the shuffle of spam filters. Once you've located the email from Grammarly, you'll see it includes either a confirmation link or a verification code. Click on that link or enter the code provided. This is the crucial step that completes the verification process and confirms your identity associated with the account. After clicking the link or entering the code, it's a great idea to return to your Grammarly account. Log in and confirm your email status to see if it displays as verified. This verification not only enhances your account security, but also ensures you won't miss out on any significant updates or communications from Grammarly, improving your overall experience with the tool. Following these steps will ensure you can make the most of Grammarly without any interruptions. By verifying your email, you're not just ticking off a mandatory task, you're paving the way for a smoother user experience where you can focus on what truly matters, enhancing your writing skills with Grammarly's fantastic features. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to keep your notifications on for more tips and tricks to get the best out of your digital tools.